Hello puzzle fans. This is what the box looks like inside.
If I can get the lid off it.
The earliest records of Scottish whisky dates back to the 15th century, when a friar declared to the taxman that he had produced almost 1,500 bottles. Silly man, you shouldn't have told the taxman.
These are all in a nice paper bag.
Alright.
There's no plastic involved at all.
There's no what?
No plastic
No
involved
plastic.
at all. There's no plastic waste.
A real Mackay. Right, okay.
Some interesting little facts about Scottish whisky.
40 bottles of Scotch whisky exported every second.
And this, by the way, is Scottish whisky, not any other kind of whisky.
Single blend again. Very good.
And this is a poster of the puzzle.
Very nice.
And I am somewhere around here.
Let's see. So that'll be a Lowland whiskey. Very good. So anything you want to add?
Nope.
No? Right. Well, say
So
say
for now.
goodbye, Donna.
Goodbye, Donna.
Goodbye, puzzle fans.